Hello everyone and welcome to the MLOps workshop. Today we're going to be creating an AWS account. So we'll start by entering in our information. Okay, so after clicking create an account, we're going to have to go ahead and fill out some contact information here. So let's go ahead and create a personal account and fill this out now. Okay, and so after we've filled out all of our contact information, next we're going to have to fill out some payment information. So don't be afraid of entering your credit card in here right now. AWS has the majority of their services, they offer a free tier associated with it. So that'll cover probably everything that we'll be doing in the course, and we shouldn't actually end up being billed for anything. So let's go ahead and fill this out now. After filling out all of our billing information, next we're going to have to confirm our identity. So I'll walk through this process now. So I chose to confirm my identity via the SMS option. Enter in your phone number, they send you a text message, and then you use that ID for confirming your identity. And that's pretty much it. So this process has been verified. Let's click continue. And next we're going to select a support plan. For our purposes, let's just stick with the free plan. All right, and our account has been created. So let's sign in. And there we have it. We now have an AWS account. You'd be creating a GitHub account. So if you don't have one already, let's create one now. Let's fill in our information. So let's enter a username, an email, and a password. And let's verify our account. All right, so we can just go ahead and sign up for a free one here. And then just click on whatever you'd like. And let's click complete setup. And now we have to verify our email address. Sent me an email, and I went ahead and clicked on the verify link, and now we have the option to create a new repository. So let's create one now. We can keep it public, and let's go ahead and click on initialize this repository with a README. And let's click create repository. And there we have it. We have just created a GitHub repository.